There's a few times in life when you get to experience something special. I still remember my first time in a Ferrari 360 when I was 13, being driven around London. The lasting memory was that I smiled and grinned like an idiot for a day, completely floored by the acceleration and the noise. 20 years later, I experienced that same feeling again. Except this time, I was in China's first ever sports car, the QIANTU K50. With a body forged from aluminium and wrapped in carbon fibre body panels, this car pushes what EV cars can be. Forget about practicality. Forget about being the next Tesla. Focus on making an amazing car with incredible performance. Reaching 0 to 60 in between 4.3 and 4.6 seconds, depending on who you speak to, this is the same speed as the Tesla. But which do you think looks like a halo car for the youth of China? And the best part? Your number plate is free and the car still includes subsidies. The amount of development that went into this car is staggering. QIANTU set up their own carbon fibre workshop, the first in China to build the panels. They've just built a factory in Suzhou which has the capacity of up to 50,000 cars a year. And the cost of all this? 670,000 RMB, or about $80,000 US. I was mesmerised by this car, so much so that I forgot to say pretty much anything. So sit back and enjoy the ride. As you can see, we're trawling through the Xintiandi area of Shanghai, close to the QIANTU showroom. The car at this stage was sitting in simple drive mode, which was fast enough. However, it also has a sports mode for if you're insane and want to drain the battery in the quickest time possible. However, if you fancied reaching warp speed and reaching the moon within a couple of minutes, push that little red button on the dash which says boost. Yes, this car has a boost button on the wheel.
Right. So how about drive?
It feels good. Feels very smooth. Fast?
Oh.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Zorba.
Go straight and
Oh.
turn left. Yeah. Yeah, yes. Yes. Turn left. Okay. Oh, yes, S.
That is very fast.
Yeah.
Look, Tesla
Oh.
Model 3.
Yeah. What Model 3?
Model 3. Yeah.
I never seen Model 3
Me
in
neither.
road.
It's the new one.
Oh.
So we're in the QIANTU K50
And it goes. Yeah.
and we're test driving it and it's incredible. Aluminium chassis, carbon fibre body panels, and it's going
Fast.
very fast.
So
That is fast.
so very steady.
That is crazy.
Yeah.
This car feels incredible. 这走
Yeah. That's right.
Wow. My heart. Jesus. And we're following a Tesla Model 3.
Oh, okay. You can choose S.
Okay.
Yeah.
Put it into sport mode.
Yeah. You can try.
Okay. Now all the dials have gone red.
Mm-hmm.
And this is going to be even faster, I think. Interior cabin quality is very nice.
Yeah.
This is good. Good visibility. Very, very nice materials. So carbon fibre.
Yeah.
So all carbon fibre, metal,
This body, this carbon fiber.
carbon fibre.
That's it.
Very big screen here. Very big. And that.
Yeah. Tesla's speak.
Same size as
Yeah,
Tesla,
yeah,
yeah.
Moto S, Moto X speak.
So we're going in sport mode. See if we can see how responsive this is.
But I think QIANTU is more beautiful than
Yes,
Moto 3.
I think so.
Really?
Yeah. He's going for it.
Oh!
Oh my word. The Alto.
Yeah.
Let's do a turn around now. If this is what electric cars are going to be, that's incredible.
Do you like?
I really like it. It's amazing. Very comfortable and 舒服.
就是 drive is very comfortable.
Very comfortable. Very easy. Very impressive. My heart's beating quite fast. Visibility is good. The mirrors are very big.
Yeah.
Da. And it's not too low. Not too low.
To left?
Low. 高.
Oh.
一点高. Ah. So in sports mode still. Good steering.
前方有250米，行驶缓慢，预计通行时间1分钟。
Wow. Brakes are very good. Brakes are solid.
Thank you.
And here we're approaching the underpass in Shanghai, where we have a moment to test acceleration, which is nothing short of incredible. Without any drama or noise, it smashes its way through the digits at an alarming rate. However, when testing this $80,000 car, there's always comparisons to Tesla. Of course, the logo is a dragonfly, but it isn't a familiar T-shape. There's a big infotainment screen in the dash, which was okay, but nothing special. Interior comfort is fantastic. You are hugged by the carbon fibre seats with a spattering of carbon fibre bits on the dashboard. A digital readout display glows orange in sports mode and calms you down with blue lighting in normal mode. The car has a 296 kilowatt battery, giving the car about a 300 kilometre range, powered by 2 motors producing 402 horsepower. So in essence, this car isn't so much about looks or anything like that. This is a car which shows how capable China is at building epic EV cars, which not only become a poster car for a generation of young Chinese, but brings a bloody big smile to your face.